Hi, this is Rose Davis, and this is my attempt to explain how to edit captioning in 90 seconds in YouTube. First, go to your video that you want to add or edit captioning and hit Edit Video. At this venture, you want to either add new subtitles or revise one that you've already created. This is one that I've already started to edit by putting proper capitalization and punctuation. However, now that I'm looking at it, I see that there are no periods in my punctuation. So I'm going to go ahead and actually update it. This might have been an old version because I'm seeing that thing link is not properly capitalized, and neither is YouTube. So basically I'll go through and make sure that there's proper capitalization and grammar. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I'm going to go ahead and publish these edits that I've made, overwrite the previous version, and there you have it. Your new subtitles have been published. Shout out to my technology crew. Thanks!